How you doing, guys? Abel Polo here with Premier Heating and Cooling. We're going to show you another common reason why your outdoor unit will not work and you will not feel either cold air or hot air inside the house. If you come to the outdoor unit and it is not working properly, there are two things that can happen that are very common. A bad contactor, which we already explained in the previous video, or a bad capacitor. What happens is the capacitor has three sections. One section goes to the motor, another section goes to the compressor, and another one goes to the contactor. What happens is that you will hear the unit running, but the motor will not run while the compressor is running, or vice versa. You will hear the condenser fan motor running, but the compressor will not run. That tells you that you have a bad capacitor. It is a very easy solution. You just go on the main breaker panel, turn off the power to the condensing unit and to the air handler unit, and replace the capacitor for the same exact capacitor. In other words, in the front of the capacitor, in this one, you will see a 45 plus 5. Make sure you get the same exact capacitor and put the wires in the same locations as the old capacitor. If you have any questions or you don't feel sure that you're capable of doing the job, or you have any questions, please give us a call at 321-344-4773. If you are in South Florida or Central Florida, we'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.